Are you a car dealership without a full-time accounting staff? Do you have problems tracking expenses relating to each car in a timely manner? Does paperwork frustrate you and you don't know how to get started? If so, Car Inventory to Go is for you. It allows you to enter your data easily in one centralized place so that anyone at your company can access the same information instantly. Car Inventory to Go has three main components: easily enter data, quickly run reports, and reduce costs and time spent on paperwork. First, Car Inventory to Go provides a simple-to-use iPhone, iPad, and web application. From any place, you can enter the purchase of a car, add expenses, pay for the cars, and mark them as sold. See separate tutorials for details on each of these steps. The second component of Car Inventory to Go is reporting. Reporting includes being able to view all details on a particular car, reviewing your overall profitability, printing sales documents such as buyer's guide, bill of sale, and title application, printing state reporting, and accounting reports to review your data, upload it into QuickBooks, and close the month quickly. Many of these items can easily be customized for your company as well. The third component of Car Inventory to Go is reducing time and costs on paperwork. Entering data while you write a check or make a deposit eliminates typing or writing of this data in multiple places. Having accurate information at your fingertips at all times allows you to make smarter selling decisions which directly affect your profit. Uploading of this data to QuickBooks reduces accounting fees, and managing aged inventory improves your cash flow. All this and more is what Car Inventory to Go does for you. It takes you away from paperwork hassle so you can spend more time in what you do best: sales. Give it a test drive at either carinventorytogo.com or download the app from the App Store. Use TEST as both the user ID and password. Sign up today at carinventorytogo.com or email us with questions at support@carinventorytogo.com.